Looking to revitalize your typewriter? Look no further than the Around the Office Compatible Replacement Combo Pack. With 12 typewriter ribbons and 12 correction lift-off tapes specifically designed for the IBM Wheelwriter 3500 typewriter, this package ensures you're always ready for smooth, error-free typing sessions. One of the standout features of this combo pack is the fresh, dark-inked ribbons. They produce crisp, legible text with every keystroke, making your documents look professional and polished. Installation is a breeze, so you can spend less time fiddling with your typewriter and more time getting work done. But what about mistakes? That's where the correction lift-off tapes come in. Easy to install and highly effective, they allow you to erase errors cleanly and efficiently, without leaving any smudges or traces behind. Say goodbye to messy whiteout and hello to seamless corrections. Perhaps the best part of this supply package is the guarantee that the ribbons and correction tapes will fit your IBM Wheelwriter 3500 typewriter perfectly. No more worrying about compatibility issues or wasted supplies. You can trust that these products are tailor-made for your machine. In summary, the Around the Office Compatible Replacement Combo Pack offers convenience, quality, and peace of mind for typists of all levels. Whether you're typing up reports, letters, or creative projects, this pack has everything you need to elevate your typing experience. So why wait? Upgrade your typewriter today and see the difference for yourself. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.